Hi everyone, I am Ayur, and in this video we are going to learn about Twitter API, and we are going to take the data from live API and then we are going to analyzing it using Textblob. We have to find out if the tweet is negative or positive, and then we are going to save the output, and then we are going to plot that data, and it will be a live plot. So first here I am importing TVP for getting the live Twitter API data, and then Textblob for analyzing. Then I'm putting CSV and time OS and .env for this .env file, and here I am giving all the API key, API secret key, access token and access secret from my .env file. So by this we can import it in our Jupyter notebook file, and here I am giving the authorization details to TVP using auth handler through API key and API secret that I have saved over here, and I am giving the setting the access token, and here my access token and access token secret, and then I am connecting through API auth, and then I am getting the hot keyword, or we can say search keyword will be dog, and then the tweets related to dog will be imported over here and they will be saved. So here I am taking positive negative over here, and here it will be saved in my file as headers. Positive, here I am setting the positive count as 0 and negative count as 0. So by using this we are going to do that, and we have the file which will be saved over here, and its name will be data.csv, and it will be in write format. Here we are writing it using csv.dictwriter. Here I am giving the csv file file field names is equals to opinion, so this will be our field names, and then we have loop for appending it line by line. We will append our data line by line in our csv file. So for tweet in tweet data, so here is our tweet data. So in tweet data we are going to print tweet.text on our command prompt or in our output, and then we are analyzing it using Textblob tweet.text. Here we are going to apply NLP, natural language processing, and then we are going to print it analysis.statement. Now we are going to check for polarity only. So here sentiment.polarity greater than 0, print positive. So here if the polarity is greater than 0, then it will be a positive tweet, and the polarity is less than 0, then it will be a negative tweet or it will be a neutral. And then we are writing it into our file. Now let's run this. I will click run all, and now as you can see our file is generated over here, and it is taking input, and then we are going to plot our data. So let me just first stop this. Yeah, so over here we are importing pandas, matplotlib and matplotlib func animation for live graph, and this is a style. So this graph will be updated with time as our data grows. So here I am giving it the data.csv file path. It is going to read that, and here is a function animate I, and we are giving x1 and x2, y1 and y2. So x1 will be positive, data will be negative, and y1 will be positive count and y2 will be negative count. So plot CLA, and our plot type will be bar. So for our first bar graph it is x1 y1 and label is positive, second is negative, and this is X label, which is sentiments, and Y labels, which will be count of our total data, and this is our legend. Our legend will be at upper right corner, and we are going to do it a tight left, and here we are calling func animation. So, and here we are giving the function animate. So that's all. Now let me first run this. And now our plot will show. So as you can see, our plot is over here, and there are maybe, let's see how much. So there are 15 positive and 4 negative. As you can see over here, 4 negative and 15 positive. So let's run it again to see the live data, live plotting. So it is now running, and we are getting our tweets. Now let's check out our data. So as you can see, as our data grows, our plot changes automatically. Now it is become 12, 16, as you can see, and is a live count, and these are sentiments, positive or negative. So like this we fetch live data from Twitter, and we can analyze it using Textblob, and then we are plotting it on live data. So that's all for this video. Thanks for your time.